Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'm going to show how to hide the chat name from the window title bar on Telegram Web using your PC. This is a really useful feature, especially if you care about your privacy while working or sharing your screen. Let's get straight into it. First, open your browser and go to Telegram Web. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside your chats, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on that to open the main menu. From the menu, scroll down a bit and click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings where you can customize different features of your Telegram experience. Now, inside Settings, find and select Privacy and Security. This section is where Telegram gives you control over how your information is displayed and protected. Once you're in Privacy and Security, look carefully for the option called Show Chat Name. This feature controls whether the name of your current chat appears in the browser's title bar. By default, this option is usually enabled. To hide the chat name, simply toggle it off. That's it. As soon as you disable it, Telegram will stop showing chat names in the window title bar. This helps keep your conversations more private, especially if you have multiple tabs open or you're working in a shared environment.